Guys, Malacanang is glowing like never before. But the real magic isn't the lights, it's the message. The People's Palace is open, and it feels like home. Welcome back to Vera Shares. Today, we're unpacking the vibes at Tara sa Palacio and the very special message from PBBM that's hitting us right in the feel. First off, solid yung energy. Malacanang opened its doors, proving that ang Pasko ay para sa lahat. It's festive, it's inclusive, and honestly, sobrang good vibes lang. Pero teka, before we dive into the parties, PBBM gets real. It's a reminder that feels less like a state address and more like a warm paalala from a tatay.
Alam niyo naman, mataas ang mga kaso ng heart attack ngayong panahon dahil napaparami po ang kain natin ng taba. Ingat lang po sa pagmamaneho kung saan po kayo pupunta. At siyempre, mag-ingat sa mga paputok. Iwasan na natin yan. Doon na po tayo sa mga torotot at iba pang malingay na mga laruan. Para kumpleto at masaya ang pagsalubong natin sa darating na bagong taon. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year po!
Real talk, we survived, we fought, and we earned this joy. Pero may solid hirit si PBBM for us. Go all out sa saya. Pero huwag kalimutan, mag-ingat, loud and clear, eat smart, drive safe, at mag-ingat sa paputok. Tandaan, the ultimate gift you can give your family, ang makauwi kang ligtas at buo. And online, approved na approved, the internet is loving this human side of PBBM. Eto ang sabi ng bayan. This is leadership you can feel. Hindi lang puro utos, kundi tunay na koneksyon. PBBM makes it clear. Ang Pasko ay hindi lang basta party. It's about protecting the ones we love. At yan, mga best, ang tunay na diwa ng Pasko. So, from Malacanang to your homes, let's make this season bright, loud, but most importantly, safe. Ang saya ng Pasko, mas ramdam kapag ligtas at sama-sama. I'm Vera Monica, reminding you to share the love and share the care. Merry Christmas, Pilipinas! Don't forget to like, share this video. Bye!